Aim of the present experiment is to find the value of forces in the members of jib crane by using triangular law of forces. The word crane explains it's a mechanical device used to lift or hang the heavy weights. The apparatus required for performing this experiment are the jib crane model, the weights and a meter scale. The jib crane apparatus consists 3 members: post, tie and jib. And the assumptions we make here are the post is vertical and all the contacts are frictionless. Now the question arises here, if the post is not vertical, then what happens? Now the simply answer is that there is an error in the magnitude of forces. When a load W is suspended vertically with the help of this hook or pen, the tie member may get elongated and subjected with tensile force, and the jib member will get compressed and subjected with compressive force, and the post remain vertical. The values of tensile force and compressive force measured by 2 spring balances S1 and S2. In free body diagram of jib crane, AC is the length of tie member, AB is the length of jib member and BC is the length of post, which is fixed, and we measure these length with the help of meter scale from the centers of the pin joint in this way. But the length of the jib is not possible to measure in single move with this meter scale. Hence, if we observe the jib crane model carefully, we come to know that the bottom portion of the jib is remain fixed. Hence, firstly we measure this and the remaining portion from the center of the pin, and by adding these 2 portions we get the length of the jib. Now there are 3 forces S1, S2 and W acting at the point A, and they keep point A in equilibrium, whereas the magnitude of force W can be treated as correct. The reading of S1 and S2 may not be correct because we neglect the weight of the chain and spring balances in tie and jib member. This is the source of error in this experiment. Let us assume S1 dash and S2 dash are correct magnitudes. Then a force triangle ABC can be drawn using forces S1 dash, S2 dash and W. And by considering force in the chain is in the direction of S1, jib force is in the direction of S2, weight W and the post is vertical. Thus the geometrical triangle ABC has all the 3 sides parallel to the force triangle ABC. Therefore, they are similar by angle property. Now by using the property of similar triangles, we get the formula S1 dash by AC equal to S2 dash by AB equal to W by BC. It can be assumed that the length AC, AB, BC and the value of W are correct. This formula is used to calculate the magnitude of forces S1 dash and S2 dash. These values are then compared with the measured value of the spring balance S1 and S2, and the percentage error are calculated by using this formula S1 minus S1 dash divided by S1 dash into 100. And finally, take at least 5 set of readings by changing the weight W. Thank you.